Today we are treating Utme 2014 geography questions. We have paper type F with us. We are asked to use the map of Ete to answer question 2 to 5. Question 1 says, which question paper type of geography is given to you? Go ahead and type F. Question 2. If the scale of the map is enlarged 4 times, the new scale will be. Question 2. If the scale of the map is enlarged 4 times, the new scale will be A. 1:12,500. B. 1:25,000. C. 1:100,000. D. 1:200,000. The correct option is option A. 1:12,500. Question 3. The area marked F to E is A. An iceberg, B. A cliff, C. A valley, D. A spur. Let's go to our map again. The area marked F to E, that is the area at the top right hand side of our map. In our legend, we have main road here, our contour is here. So the area marked F to E is an iceberg. That is option A. Question 4. The highest point on the map is A. 340 meter, B. 350 meter, C. 400 meter, D. 575 meter. Let's look at our map again. We are looking for the highest point on the map. The highest point on the map, you have to take your time to find out all the points and see which one is the highest point. We have 350 here, so the highest point is D. The highest point on this map is 350 meters, which is our option B. Question 5. The likely occupation of the inhabitants of Ete is A. Farming, B. Fishing, C. Lumbering, D. Mining. If we look at our map, Ete people settled along the main road. There is no sign of river here. There is no sign of any other things mentioned in our option. So their likely occupation will be farming. Use the diagram below to answer question 6 and 7. And here is the diagram on your screen. We have our keyword, cocoa, rubber, granules. We have our year and then export in metric tons. In 2000, what was exported? In 2001, what was exported, like that to 2004. Question 6. The total granite export from 2000 to 2003 is A. 1,500 metric tons, B. 1,700 metric tons, C. 1,400 metric tons, D. 1,800 metric tons. The correct option is the total granite export from 2000 to 2003 is A. 1,500 metric tons, B. 1,700 metric tons, C. 1,400 metric tons, D. 1,800 metric tons. Remember our keyword. For granite, we have this keyword here. So if we look at from 2000, in the year 2000, the total granite export was 300 metric tons. In 2001, it was 300 metric tons. In 2002, it was 500 metric tons. Then in 2003, it was 400 metric tons. So if we add these metric tons up, it will give us 1,500 metric tons, which is option A. Question 7. The total export in 2002 is A. 800 metric tons, B. 1,200 metric tons, C. 1,000 metric tons, D. 1,100 metric tons. Again, let's go back to our diagram. In 2002, the total export is 1,000 metric tons. So the correct option is option C. Question 8. In chain surveying, the basic principle is to measure A. Angles, B. Height, C. Depth, D. Distance. Chain surveying is the type of surveying in which only linear measurements are made in the field. The main principle of chain surveying or chain triangulation is to provide a framework consisting of numbers of well-conditioned triangles or nearly equilateral triangles. It is used to find the area of the field. The correct option here is option D. Question 9. Which of these planets complete its orbit in a much shorter space of time? A. Saturn. B. Jupiter. C. Mercury. D. Earth. From all the planets listed here, Mercury is the one that completes its orbit in a much shorter space of time. Mercury is the fastest in the solar system, moving at an average speed of 108,000 mph and completes an orbit, 1 Mercury year, in 88 Earth days. Because Mercury has such a strange orbit, it can make for some weird motions of the sun in the sky. At some latitude, you will see the sun appear to rise, stop, go backward a bit, stop, then go forward again. So Mercury, in question 9, Mercury completes its orbit in a much shorter space of time. Question 10. Shale is a fine textured sedimentary rock formed principally from the particles of A. Sand, B. Clay, C. Quartz, D. Calcite. The correct option here is option B.